Hey Jerry, it's Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Wanda on the phone and I told her that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your homepage, which actually looks very good. It looks like you spent some time or some money into this. And so it looks great. However, scrolling through, I can see that there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and you guys currently have 414 words. So I would suggest adding in some more content on here. You also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. And in addition to having the right amount of content, you also want to make sure that content is filled with the appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. And so Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords in your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for it. And so a good example of a keyword is car wrap Philadelphia. This keyword brings in 200 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And so beneath the search bar up at the top is where we may see some Google ads. There are none popping up for me right now, but Google ads can be a really great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, especially when you are waiting for your SEO to warm up or the market is hot. And so right beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is really important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots and get on the top of the first page, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext would all be good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. And so now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. And so this should definitely be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results. And they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. And so in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered and relevant backlinks. And so a backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. So for example, if a local auto body shop with a really powerful website were to give you a backlink, that would be a really great way to bring more power to yours. And so over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs, Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so I just typed in your website into Ahrefs and I looked up the keywords you are ranking for. And so right now at the top, we can see a lot of the keywords you're ranking for have your name in them, which makes sense. And so going through, you want to go through and make sure that these are all buyer intent keywords and that they are preferably location specific. And so you guys are going for some pretty good keywords. You're somewhere around the mid to the bottom of the first page or lower. So I would just recommend focusing more on keywords that actually have buyer's intent and are a little more broad. So if someone wasn't already searching for you, it would be easier for them to find you. And so now to check out the overview of your entire site, here it will tell us how many backlinks you have. So you have 283 backlinks from 46 different domains. and you are ranking organically for 260 keywords, but that could be anywhere from the first to the 10th page. And so I would go through, and you want to make sure that all of the backlinks you have are high powered and relevant backlinks. So you don't want to get backlinks from a donut shop or a lawyer website. You want to make sure that all of these have to do with signs or with advertising or car wraps. And so you also want to make sure that these are all high powered. So you can go through and see which ones have a high DR, make sure that those all check out. And you also want to be going for ones that are do follow. So right here, I can see you guys have a lot of no follow backlinks. So not that those are a bad thing, but you do want to primarily get do follow backlinks in order to get more power to your site. And so if you're looking for more backlinks, you can do the same thing with other competitors. You can type in their websites, go through their backlinks, try and find the ones with a high DR, and put your name, your website name on those different sites. And you also want to make sure when you're doing that, that none of these are from spammy websites. They're going to give you do follow links, and that all the websites or the posts that you are getting your website on are relevant to what you guys provide. And so, to recap the three things that we talked about, number one, you want to add in some more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number two, you want some more citations to get you ranked in the map pack. And then number three, you just want to go through all of your backlinks and then find some more from other competitors. And you can also go and find some on your own as well. And so that is what I have for you for today. Hopefully, you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.